Teachers can save time by creating a template for a directed task that can be applied to a range of sections within a chapter and assigned to multiple classes. Click on the Task Manager icon on the dashboard. Select Template and give it a name. The types of activities available for a template will be displayed as icons such as these and may vary for different resources. Select the first activity type and drag the icon to the line above. If a measurable activity such as a quiz is added to the template, a set of arrows will appear at the top of the icon. This indicates a point where students can be directed on a different path based on their results. Click on the arrows to show a slider that can be used to set the achievement benchmark for the different directions. If the benchmark is set at 60%, students who achieve this score and above will be sent in one direction, and those who scored below 60% will be directed on a different path. Set tasks appropriate to each path. Once all of the activities have been added, click back to see the template in the task bank. A template will be indicated by an asterisk next to the name of the task. To create a task using a template, check the box next to the template name and click Assign. A template can be applied to a whole chapter, a section, or multiple sections. To use a template to create a task for multiple sections, choose the first chapter and section to be included and click Add Section. Add the next section by using the drop-down arrows and click Add Section. Each section added will appear here and can be removed by clicking the cross. Change the task name to a name that applies to this task. The template name will remain unchanged. Choose to assign this task to multiple classes by checking this box and selecting all the classes required. To select individuals in a class, uncheck the All Students box and hold down Control on a PC and Command on a Mac to multi-select. Click Assign and a message will be sent to the students that they have a task to complete. The task can be found in the Assigned Tasks tab, where student progress can be monitored. The template will remain in the My Tasks tab, where it can be used again for different sections.